here 'em is. In case I get carried away, I got metal. So I told you the story about me bringing my bike to Dick's Sporting Goods to get the crank set fixed. The crank set is the centerpiece of the front derailleur. In other words, down there where the bearings would be, the center. So I took it down to Dick's Sporting Goods to get it fixed. After a long weekend, the guy came back and I called him Monday and he says, "Oh, I haven't started on it yet. Let me put my stuff away and I'll get this going for you right now." Okay. Tuesday, I call him up an hour after the store's open. "How's it going?" And he says, "Your bike is filthy. Your gears are full of muck. You've got mud all over the place and everywhere." He said, "It's a mess." I said, "Yeah, okay. I don't think that's a problem," I said to myself. And I said, "How long to put it back together?" And he said, "Half hour." I says, "I'll be down, I'll pick it up." Had a problem going down there. Get in the store, he's not there. Out to lunch. Come back 45 minutes, hour later, which is guy said in the store he'd be 20 minutes. 45 minutes later, Sharon and I come back and he's doing something in the store. I said, "Call him, taking my bike." Taking my bike. When I got home, I went for a ride. And it seemed like it wasn't gliding as well as it should be. He had tightened my brakes up so that all I had to do was touch the handle and it would have stopped the bike. And I have mine way down so that I never go fast enough or go to the last point where, I better stop or I'm going to get hurt. No, I never get there so far. And so he tightened my brakes up. And when I went back for my bike, he wasn't even around. I wanted to talk to him about it. What's going on? Come to find out, long story short, of course, or I should say long story even longer, I went riding 2 or 3 days ago with Dennis. Oh, that clicking in your crank set? He says it's not your crank set, it's your pedals. I had that on this bike and I changed them. Dennis, I've been riding with you for 3 different times in the last 3 weeks. How come you didn't say anything? It's in my pedals. I bought new pedals today and put them on. No click. I know. That feels a lot better. Because yesterday when I went riding with Dennis, oh man, I couldn't keep my earbuds out because I would have been yakking with Dennis, and at the same time, if I kept my earbuds on, I would have heard all the click, 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 and I was doing it twice now. Almost at the top and almost at the bottom. Change the pedal. You hear any clicking? I know my teeth, huh? Ow! It's always sticking out at me. Always for the last 6 months. And earlier it had leaves and more pickers on the end of it. So that's what it is. It's a picker. I should bring a knife with me and cut that while I'm riding down here. Because I picked up a couple of different limbs on my part of the riding road. Right of this line. They don't give me much in Brooklyn, I'll tell you that. Except a couple places like the other Gorman Road. I think they do that because there's a school up the street and it has to be a certain distance. I don't know, because the street before that goes to the school is only 2 lanes. None of this white line stuff. I know why. State highway. State road. State road, Route 205. And this is east Oregon, Connecticut, which is connected to Plainfield. Yeah, not Plainfield, Plainfield. So what do? You move into an area back in the 1700s, Oh, what the hell was that? Sorry. You build yourself a place in the 1600s and you call it Plainfield. Then 2-3 years later, somebody else moves into town. Yeah, you're the only one so far. Somebody else moves into town. Wow. And what happens is, Nico. That's what I'm going to call this part of my city. Nico, and I'll shoot a Plainfield. Because I guess Plainfield would have been a boss. It's a county city. I don't know what you call it. Because Plainfield is the whole area, but it's Oneiko, Warrigan, Central Village, Moosup. God damn it. I know. Should have had water 10 minutes ago, Gary. What's the matter with you? Yeah, because once I start coughing. Oh, that's better. As soon as I start coughing, I get to throwing up. I don't like that at all. At all. So what I do this morning, I had to go to the dump, and I had to go to Walmart. So I went to the dump with DeWitt. I asked him to take me. He's open on a Thursday or Friday, because that's when the dump is open. So if I come over and see him on a Thursday or even a Friday morning like today, lunch, yeah, alright, I gotta go too. So he packs up his truck bed with a couple of items to take to the dump, and he goes to the Walmart with me. Going to Walmart, right with me, walking around the store real quick. I don't know if DeWitt was good with that, but yeah, I got the carriage, I got what I needed, click, I was out of there. I don't goof around. We mentioned it to each other. Yeah, when we go with our wives, all they do is take their time or talk to somebody. I did not. Oh, we did not. And then I took up the lunch down at the Johnny's Pizza in Brooklyn, Connecticut. He had a foot-long meatball, and I had a gyro. And he was undecided whether to get a half, because that's all he could eat. And he didn't know if he might be able to eat the rest of it. I said, well, you buy the full one, take half of it home. Who doesn't want to do that? He did. Bought half, bought a full one and half. The bill was $22.48, something like that. And I gave the girl 30. Johnny's Pizza. And I'm gonna go spend some more money now. Walmart. 3 cans of degreaser, a speedometer meter, my new pedals, and 3 candy bars. Oh, I bought 2 Reese's cups, and as I was getting wrung out at the end, DeWitt threw a Kit Kat or something on the table, and I said, "Oh, I'll take care of that." DeWitt says, "No, I'll get it." I said, "No, throw it in with that. You can still cash it out, can't you?" "Yup, do it." Gave me $61. No, I had 100. I had enough for lunch. Oh, and I also bought some bags that you don't. That was $10. I think I spent almost $100 today. Let me see. 30 for the lunch, 60 for Walmart, and $10 for a bag. 60, 30, that's $100. Damn. And I haven't even gone to Ambets yet. That wind's strong a lot. Yeah, blowing like crazy today. If it gets down cold tonight, those leaves are going to die, and this here breeze is going to stay with us for the weather. So I'm not at all liking this. My hands are cold. I'm going to tighten up one end front. There we go. Well, here I'm at my destination. Get them all. Lackadaisical today. What's that? Talking to myself. Alright, we got metal. Ooh, this thing was on the ball this morning. I put those jiggling through the whole ride. Alright, we'll check it. Got metal.